Hello future CAs, the CA Classroom is happy to announce free face-to-face concept revision classes happening in Chennai for your CA Inter May 25 exams. Now you may be having some basic doubts like, sir, where is this happening? How can I join and who can join this? We are going to answer all these questions. Yes, I will be coming myself for taking advanced accounting and law offline to see all of you. So if you are around Chennai, watch this video till the end and also do share it with your friends who are around Chennai to whom it could be helpful. Let me get into the details, guys. First, for whom it is free, sir, everybody who belongs to the CA Classroom family and purchased classes already for May 2025 exams, whether it can be wow subscription one or both groups or fusion subscription or any individual subject you have already purchased, means you can just join the class in your respective groups that you're already there. I will send the Google form link for a confirmation, guys. Sir, what about others? Sir, we want to attend your class offline revision, sir, but we have not purchased any class in CA Classroom. It's absolutely okay, guys. You are also welcome. Only thing is that for students outside the CA Classroom family, we are only charging a small nominal fees. Other students have already paid for recording classes 5,000, 6,000. So we are giving it free for them. So other students, by just paying a nominal fees, you can look at the dates over here, guys. You can see law is starting tomorrow from 13th, and then you have the time. All the details over here, just 1,000 rupees per subject. Where is the class going to happen? Always our classes will happen in our beloved location, A&M classes, Nungambakam. Just Google and find the beautiful location and the premises, guys. Sir, how do I register for this? Very simple. Just come to the CA Classroom website. We love the lions in our website, guys. Lions are our faculties. And then you scroll to the bottom, you will find this CA Inter WOW concept revision for May 2025 exams offline. You can choose whichever subject you want. Let's say I'm taking two subjects, for example, let's say law and direct tax. You just make the payment and that's it. You can come, walk in, attend the class. Or if you want three subjects, you can take three subjects and pick any three subjects of your choice. Now here there are two bonus that I'm giving all of you guys. Bonus number one, those who are purchasing only offline class, you will be given material along with this and you can just walk into the class. And most important bonus number two, if you just purchase the WOW subscription, you can attend offline. So instead of paying 3,000, 4,000 if you want all subjects, you can rather get just the WOW subscription or any other class on the CA Classroom website. The advantage is you can also attend offline. At the same time, you can get the recording backup of the entire WOW subscription as per the WOW subscription schedule, which give you full access of class till your exams. So that's about it, guys. Looking forward to seeing you all in the classes. All the very best. Keep studying.